So this is our first practice problem set of Unit 8 on the financial sector. And in this problem set, the first activity, I just want you to put a check in a box if you think the item meets the criteria for that quality of money, and then rank the top 5 over here on the right. So generally speaking, there aren't really right or wrong answers on these. All of the items here on the left have actually been used as money in various times and places. But I'm just curious to get your thoughts on which one of these would be a good medium of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account, and maybe what your top 5 is. So I'm going to skip this portion, but I do think it's valuable for you to do this so that you can kind of think about what are these different 3 functions of money. So again, I'd spend just a few minutes here, maybe with your group, working through those. For the next 5 questions, it says, identify how the money is being used. So medium of exchange, store of value, unit of account. A student pays tuition at a local college. So here the student is using money as a transaction, right? So we'd say this is the medium of exchange function. For the second one, a woman compares the cost of tennis shoes at several stores. In this one, the woman is using the money to determine value. So we'd say it's unit of account. She's using it as a unit. She's saying, I'm going to compare the value of something. The third one, a student puts $20 in his wallet for emergency use. This one is the student is using money to store its value. So it's a store of value. The fourth one, a child puts her birthday money in a savings account. A similar concept, a store of value. And the fifth one, a man pays $1 for a candy bar from a vending machine. This would be transactions, so it's medium of exchange. Now, for the last part here, practice problem, calculate the money supply for Claytonia. And it says M0, M1, M2, and monetary base. And so for this one, you have to remember some of the ideas that we talked about in the previous notes where we had the money supply. We talked about the different things there of what those would be. So just kind of going back, M0 is currency. That's just currency. So we look at our list and we say, what is currency? 32. Okay. M1 is currency, or M0, plus your checking accounts, your demand deposits. So that's the 7 plus the 32. So 32 plus 7 equals, let's see if I do that without a calculator, 39. M2 is add up the M1, and then we add in savings accounts and CDs and MMAs, right? Savings accounts, CDs, and MMAs. So here we have money market mutual funds is $5. So let's just start 39 because it's that number, plus 5 plus 10 because that's the time deposits, plus the savings accounts is 25. And so that's, here we've got 35, 40, so that's 79. Now, monetary base is just M0. Let's go back for a second here. M0 plus bank reserves. So we have M0 is 32, and bank reserves are 40, so 72. So this is a type of problem that you're pretty likely to see on an exam, and being able to remember what are the different components could be really helpful for that. Okay, so hopefully this helped you get a feel for some of the different functions of money and the different measures of the money supply. I'll see you next time.